Unlock the secret to raking in a jaw-dropping $1 million every month. Your path to unstoppable wealth begins here. Welcome to a journey that could transform your financial future. In the world of rapid technological change and evolving career landscapes, making money isn't just about chasing quick riches. It's about adopting the right habits and strategies that can lead to lasting prosperity. In this guide, we'll explore the path to financial success, one that's grounded in time-tested principles while also addressing the modern challenges and opportunities presented by the AI-driven era. The quest to make money isn't a mere sprint. It's a strategic marathon. Whether you aspire to earn $50,000 per month or secure your first million, the habits you cultivate and the decisions you make today can shape your financial destiny. Join us as we delve into the essential habits and practices that can help you not only accumulate wealth, but also ensure it endures for years to come. Ladies and gentlemen, in today's video, I'm about to unveil a surefire, guaranteed method to help you achieve your first million within the next 5 to 10 years. If you're a struggling student or someone seeking financial success, pay close attention because this approach is a 99% guarantee provided you watch this video in its entirety and grasp its essence. With nearly a decade of entrepreneurial experience and ownership in over a dozen companies, I've witnessed the ups and downs of the business world. I can unequivocally state that what I'm about to reveal is one of the most reliable routes to financial prosperity, including the prospect of making $50,000 per month. And now, let's get something straight. The path to riches today isn't fundamentally different from that of the past. Despite our excitement about the AI revolution and technological advancements, some timeless principles remain intact. A century ago, if you aspired to attain wealth swiftly, and by swiftly, I mean transitioning from an average income to millionaire status in 5 to 10 years, you had a limited set of options. But back then, you might have pursued a career as an employee at a fast-growing company, aiming to provide such extraordinary value that your compensation skyrocketed. This approach required continuous self-advocacy and renegotiation to secure the pay you deserved. However, this isn't the primary route we'll explore today. It's an alternative strategy, which still holds water in today's world, involves working within a rapidly expanding company, absorbing knowledge for 2, 3, or more years, and then leveraging that experience to launch your own venture in a related industry. Even if your new business only captures a fraction of your former employer's market share, it's enough because you now hold 100% ownership. The blueprint of starting within a thriving company to gain industry insights before branching out independently has been a dependable trajectory for success for centuries. In your pursuit of making $50,000 per month, you must understand that this timeline is realistic. It may even happen more quickly for you if you navigate the journey with wisdom and determination. The critical point is that as we explore this AI-driven era, these principles apply, and the tools I'm about to introduce can be your potent allies in achieving both your financial and personal growth objectives. However, I want to address the concerning trend in modern society, especially among teenagers and students. Many are in an undue hurry to amass their first million, often driven by unrealistic expectations of instant gratification. The desire to achieve millionaire status prematurely is often fueled by misconceptions about what wealth can bring. Some believe that riches will effortlessly win them admiration, romance, and status. Let me dispel these notions from someone who achieved their first million at 18. Making money at a young age does not automatically garner respect or attract the right people. In reality, when you make money early, most people perceive it as sheer luck, not brilliance. There's also the danger of losing it just as quickly, which happens far too often. Girls, as a rule, are not drawn to teenagers with newfound wealth. They're more interested in mature individuals. Therefore, the rush to become a millionaire before turning 20 is often misguided and ill-informed. In my experience, the most opportune time to amass wealth, especially in your pursuit of reaching $50,000 per month, lies between the ages of 25 and 30. This isn't to say that achieving financial success earlier isn't possible, but it's crucial to acknowledge that there's a significant difference between chance, windfalls, and sustainable wealth. Let me clarify why taking your time and adopting a measured approach is vital. Imagine a scenario where a teenager stumbles upon a lucrative crypto investment, turning a small sum into $1 million overnight. While this may seem like a dream come true, it can become a nightmare. Sudden wealth can bring immense pressure, and without the experience and financial acumen to manage it, the majority end up squandering their fortunes. Leads personally made substantial gains in the crypto market, but never mistaken it for a career. Instead, I viewed it as a supplementary investment and recognized that it might not always yield positive results. That level of maturity and perspective is essential when dealing with volatile investments. A best approach, especially for those below 23 years of age, is to prioritize learning over earning. Your early years should focus on gaining knowledge, skills, and experience. This is where apprenticeships come into play. Historically, apprenticeships allowed individuals to learn from masters in a controlled environment, honing their craft before venturing out on their own. Unfortunately, modern society has shifted away from apprenticeships to internships, often offering less valuable learning experiences. It's essential to seek opportunities where you can truly learn the inner workings of a business or industry. Finding a company that values your development, even if it means earning less initially, is a strategic move. During the interview process, make it clear that your primary goal is to learn and acquire specific skills rather than focusing on immediate financial gain. The size of the company you choose also matters. Large corporations may not provide the hands-on learning experience you need, while extremely small companies might lack the resources for comprehensive training. Opt for a mid-sized company, ideally with around 100 employees or fewer, as this balance often provides the best environment for skill acquisition. Remember that the knowledge you gain during your apprenticeship is invaluable. It's like having access to a treasure chest of insights that can be your launchpad for future success. Whether you decide to start your own business or partner with someone else, these skills are your most significant asset. In the world we live in today, insider knowledge is a barrier that you must overcome to excel. This knowledge is often hidden behind a paywall, whether in the form of education costs or the price of mentorship. If you can invest in your education or secure a mentor, that's the fastest and most efficient way to access this knowledge. However, I understand that not everyone has the financial means to invest in education or mentorship. In such cases, aligning yourself with the right company is your best alternative. Make sure the company you choose prioritizes your growth and development by investing in training and knowledge sharing. In conclusion, the path to financial success relies on timeless principles. Prioritize education and skill acquisition, seek growth opportunities, and build lasting prosperity through wisdom and effort. That's it for today, folks. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more updates. Until then, goodbye.